Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Auth0 social login providers, full guide step by step clearly. To disable social login providers in Auth0, start by logging into your Auth0 dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the application section in the left sidebar. Select the application for which you want to disable the social login providers. Next, click on the Connections tab located at the top of the application settings page. In the Connections section, you will see a list of available connections. Locate the social login provider you wish to disable, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter. Click on the toggle switch next to the provider to turn it off. You may need to repeat this step for each social login provider you want to disable. Once you've disabled the desired providers, navigate to the bottom right corner of the page. Click the Save Changes button to apply your modifications. After saving changes, you will see a confirmation message indicating that the settings have been updated. To ensure that the changes take effect, log out of your application and try to log back in. Attempt to use the disabled social login provider to verify that it no longer functions. If the provider still appears on the login screen, refresh your application and clear your browser's cache. The social login should now be successfully disabled for your application. If you want to re-enable any provider in the future, simply follow the same steps and toggle the switch back on. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.